If your Bosch or Siemens washer shows E18 or F18, it is usually a drainage time warning. These codes commonly indicate the machine could not remove water fast enough. The most frequent causes are blocked pump filter, drain hose issues, or outlet restrictions. Switch off power safely. Clean the pump filter area following official model steps. Inspect hose routing for kinks and check the drain connection height if your manual specifies one. Run a drain test cycle. If E18 or F18 reappears after basic cleaning and hose checks, escalate to official service. Avoid repeated teardown attempts. Simple takeaway: E18 and F18 usually begin with drain flow checks. Filter first, hose next, then service if persistent.